annual World Ozone Day is being observed on 16 September as it is observed every year on September 16 to spread awareness among people about the ozone layer and discover possible solutions to preserve it. The ozone layer or ozone shield is a region of Earth's stratosphere that contains a high concentration of ozone O3 in relation to other parts of the atmosphere, although still small in relation to other gases in the stratosphere. It is the highly held true that life without the ozone layer is not possible, as it absorbs more about 97 to 99% of the sun's ultraviolet radiation, which otherwise would be potentially damage exposed life forms near the surface.
Is the ozone layer important? Ozone molecules in the atmosphere provide us with important protection from the rays of the sun. Specifically, these molecules are good at absorbing certain ultraviolet rays that can cause sunburn and skin cancer. The ozone layer is a natural part of our atmosphere. It acts like a protective sunscreen by blocking harmful ultraviolet rays from the sun. But certain chemicals such as chlorofluorocarbons and halogens can damage the ozone layer. These can cause holes to form in the layer and allow more UV rays to reach the Earth's surface. As a result of ozone depletion, there will be increase in Earth's temperature, melting of glaciers, cancerous diseases, rise in the level of ocean, and many more.
The molecules of chlorofluorocarbons in the stratosphere are broken down by the ultraviolet radiations and release chlorine atoms. These atoms react with ozone and destroy it. The humans will be directly exposed to the harmful ultraviolet radiations of the sun due to the depletion of the ozone layer. This might result in serious health issues among humans such as skin diseases, cancer, sunburns, cataract, quick aging, and weak immune system. A number of commonly used chemicals have been found to be extremely damaging to the ozone layer. Halocarbons are chemicals in which one or more carbon atoms are linked to one or more halogen atoms, that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, or iodine. Halocarbons containing bromine usually have much higher ozone depleting potential, that is ODP, than those containing chlorine. The man-made chemicals that have provided most of the chlorine and bromine for ozone depletion are methyl bromide, methyl chloroform, carbon tetrachloride, and families of chemicals known as halogens, chlorofluorocarbons, that is CFCs, and hydrochlorofluorocarbons, that is HCFCs.
First ozone hole was discovered 30 years ago in 1985 over Antarctica. Later, NASA found out the whole of Antarctica was affected and the temperature had begun to rise. The ozone layer absorbs most of the sun's ultraviolet light, which is harmful to human life and other life forms. The layer absorbs about 97 to 99% of the ultraviolet rays and maintains the ozone-oxygen cycle.
World Ozone Day, held on September 16th, celebrates this achievement. It shows that collective decisions and actions guided by science are the only way to solve major global crises. In this year of the COVID-19 pandemic that has brought such social and economic hardship, the Ozone Treaty's message of working together in harmony and for collective good is more important than ever. The slogan of the day, Ozone for Life, reminds us that not only is ozone crucial for life on Earth, but that we must continue to protect the ozone layer for future generations.
आसमां है बादल भी
control. Following are some points that would help in preventing this problem at a global level. First, avoid using ODS, ozone depleting substance. Second, minimize the use of vehicles. Third, use eco-friendly cleaning products. Fourth, use of nitrous oxide should be prohibited.
Further, it has become rather essential to learn about the causes, types, and impact of pollution to deal with this problem. Think about it yourself and wonder how you contribute to pollution, as there isn't just one person's organization or government to blame, but all of us. Moreover, pollution comes in different forms. Air pollution, which means contamination of air. It is a very dangerous kind of pollution and which chemically and physically alters the air. When toxic gases enters the atmosphere, life becomes difficult for human beings. The burning of fossil fuels, mining, automobile exhaust and more contribute to it. Thus it causes acid rains, respiratory problems, global warming and more.
We see that the change begins with us. You don't have to thank the government or the industries to curb pollution, as we all contribute to it. We need to control pollution so as to create a healthy future for our upcoming generations. Every person on earth has a great role to play in restoring the balance of earth. Educate people about menacing issues and protect the earth from degrading.
Humans lie in the bright sunshine, but its rays aren't all of the friendly kind. UVA raises the skin, UVB rays burn it, but just in case you thought it was all bad news, ultraviolet light makes vitamin D in him, in her,